It's a great question, and people have tried and many have failed because if a waste is that valuable and useful and easy to use, then it's no longer a waste. It becomes something that people buy and pay for. Um, but the other problem is that most wastes are just really hard to use. They're full of water. Organic materials tend to have lots and lots of water, and they tend to be very contaminated. Organic waste, that is, tends to be very contaminated. It's not one thing; it's a million different things. If I look at what's coming through the sewer system, for example, that's got everything from every kind of waste you can imagine, from your kitchen sink, from your bathrooms, whatever. But then it also has little bits of dirt, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, you name it, batteries, everything gets flushed down the toilet. So, it's not an easy to harness material. So to make that viable and cost effective, you need to have technology. And you also need government incentives to help and mandates and other things to make it worthwhile taking this very complex mixture and turning it into something useful. The thing that's changed over time is technology's improved, but we've also recognized as a society that um, we can't just be doing status quo. We have to displace fossil fuel. We have to responsibly dispose of waste. And technology and government incentives and environmental regulations have made that a viable opportunity now.